I don't know if you can hear that, but Supervisor Doug is snoring. Oh, I talked so he opened his eyes up now. Anyway, we're working on the structure, which I showed you pieces of parts of last week. This is the other part of the Bates Mill. There's quite a few buildings to it. So this is right next to the canal. The side here that I'm showing right now will be next to the powerhouse that I've shown before that I made. And what I'm doing is I have built it out of DPM structure parts. I've got all the glass in and stuff like that. I've put floors in it so you don't see between the windows, between the floors. And I've also got a wall running down the middle of each section so you don't see across. And then the last thing I'm doing here is this is a ridge. I had a very slightly, it didn't have a flat roof, but it had a very slight incline to it. So I'm simulating that here. And what I've done is I've taken that plastic in the middle there and glue that on there so that it can be the center line of the ridge. And what I've done is I've taken some 80 thousandths sheets here. I've cut them in half, and then I've put a joint in the back of it so that I can have them bend to that angle. And when I glue it all together on top, I'll put another piece of this plastic on the top for the ridge line, and then we'll have all that done on there. Again, that's the building I'm trying to simulate right there. So you can't tell in the picture there, but it's got a very slight angle to the roofs in the center line. So there we are right now. I'm doing a lot of work trying to get loose and lower some scenery in. I'll probably take some pictures of the canal area I'm working on after I get done with the bridge sections and the decking, and show that later on this weekend. And Doug, enjoy your nap.